Why does your scanner show the P2291 engine code? What does it mean? P2291 is a diagnostic trouble code for injector control pressure too low with engine cranking. P2291 engine code indicates that the injector control pressure for the high-pressure oil has fallen below the threshold of acceptance set by the manufacturer during the cranking of the engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Oil injector control regulator, injector pressure control sensor, oil level, oil leaks, high pressure injection pressure switch, wiring or connectors, powertrain control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. The P2291 code is usually logged in high-pressure diesel injection systems, but it can also apply to vehicles that have gasoline direct fuel injection. It is commonly found in Nissan Maxima, Honda Odyssey, Ford Focus, Jeep Wrangler, and 6.7 Power Stroke. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.